Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 18.4.1. Do this immediately after you update. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off beta updates. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. On the Settings page, scroll down, click on General. 3. On the General page, click on Beta Updates. 4. Turn off beta updates. Solution number 2. Update apps. 1. Open the App Store page on your iPhone. 2. Tap your profile icon, top right. 3. Tap Update All, if available, or scroll through the list and update individual apps. Solution number 3. Carrier update. 1. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. 2. Your iPhone will automatically check for carrier updates and install them. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching this video.